All right, everyone, good morning. It is 4 a.m. New York Eastern Time right now as I'm doing the video. And as always, in the mornings or most of the mornings, I like to come out with videos highlighting things for the day that might be important to others, maybe not. You'll be the judge of that. We'll talk about GEVO in this video and one SPAC. So, GEVO, Hawaiian Airlines and GEVO unveil sustainable aviation fuel sales deal. It's actually very important because this is actually the second big aviation deal that GEVO has done. The previous one, if I remember right, was American Airlines. So, and again, the previous was for 50 million gallons, and the same thing here with Hawaiian Airlines. But it just reinforces, in my opinion, that GEVO is a great long-term bet, right? Can't say it's a great long-term investment because the company hasn't proven itself yet. I would say long-term investments would be saying, okay, I'll buy Apple shares or, but I do believe it's a good long-term bet, and I'm bullish on GEVO for the future. That's just my opinion, because I think that in the future, renewable, sustainable aviation fuel is going to be in hot demand. And, they're getting their foot in this sector, in this industry. One of the first in the U.S., and they're really setting themselves up for the future with new factories and so on. So, you can see here, Hawaiian Airlines said Thursday it reached an agreement with GEVO to purchase 50 million gallons of sustainable aviation fuel over 5 years. Financial details were not disclosed. GEVO said it expects to supply the SAF from a facility to be constructed in the Midwestern and begin deliveries to Hawaiian Airlines gateway cities in California starting in 2029. The biofuel company said it will produce sustainable aviation fuel using residual starch from inedible field corn growing using negative farming practices and so on. All right, so that's that. I think it's pretty cool. And it also, because airlines will have to by 2050, right? So by 2050, airlines, all of them will have to be net. They will have to meet the goals of net zero carbon emissions. Thus, why I feel that GEVO in the future is going to be great. Sometimes we don't have, a lot of people don't have patience, and then when they look back 10 years, they say, "Oh man, 10 years went by. I'm so stupid. I should have invested in that company right now. I would have been better off than the 10 years of trying to day trade something or whatever." That's just my opinion. I don't know. We'll see. 5 years from now, 8 years from now, we'll see where GEVO is. But I'm very bullish. So it's at $1.56, $1.52 trading in the after hours. I'm not expecting out of this news anything explosive out of the stock. I don't think the stock is going to do anything special. But it is, like I said, reinforcing the long-term outlook. GEVO enters development agreement with Southwest Iowa Renewable Energy to measure, report, and verify carbon intensity. That was a week ago. Those are more of deals that can come quicker, right, and produce something for the company and the shareholders. 2 weeks ago, GEVO Incorporation report Q4 loss. That's expected that they would have a loss because they're building new facilities, like I said, new facilities that will be producing sustainable aviation fuel. So that takes money and so on. So they can't be profitable now. Now the SPAC I want to focus on is Diamond Head Holding Corp. It exploded and it's at 1760 now. Will it go any higher? We'll see. Pre-market will show us the way. We'll see. Can't predict anything before that. So and what happened was that it says here, why is Diamond Head Holdings ticker symbol DHHC stock up 110%? That was yesterday, 13 hours ago. So it was because management announced a PIPE investment related to its merger with Great Southern Homes. Great Southern Homes has been in the business for over a decade. So not saying it's a great company, but they've been around. Now, Friday's economic calendar, durable goods at 8:30, 9:30 Fed's Bullard U.S. monetary economic policy, 9:45 PMI composite flash, and a 1 p.m. Baker Hugh rig count. Something else that you might want to check out. I'm not saying that you should buy. It's already gone up, actually. I mentioned it yesterday in the after hours for my Patreon members. I told them that ticker symbol MITQ, which has a low float of 7 million shares, announced a share repurchase program of $1 million worth within the next 12 months. So $1 million, and the stock was already trading like $1. That's like 1 million shares, and they already have a free float of 7 million, just that, if I remember right, just 7 million. So, it sounds interesting, right? So it was $1.06 I mentioned in Patreon yesterday after hours, and it closed the after hours at $1.15. So that's good. I mean, I think that's good enough gains. There's no need to risk anymore, because the company really isn't that great. That's that. Maybe it'll go higher today. We'll see. MITQ. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.